Hello, this is the project presentation of Team 17 from N Division. Our project title is Yan Winding Machine. Our team consists of 4 members: Sharath, Dhanashri, Mukta, and Vishwas. We have been working under the guidance of Miss Padmaja. Here is the design process, and it has 5 parts: the problem definition, conceptual design, product architecture, detailed design, and design communication. This is the problem definition of our project. According to it, the main function of a winding machine is to transfer the wool from large package to a smaller spool. The main objectives of our project include: the machine should be semi-automatic and affordable by everyone. It should be user friendly, that is, wind more wool in less period of time. The machine should also be portable and its weight must be minimum. It should even work continuously for at least 3 complete hours.
Functional tree and clustering. In our project there are 4 different processes. They are handling the wool, handling the spool, indications, and packaging and cutting. Sensing the wool, holding the wool, dispensing the wool with to and fro motion, and storage of wool all come under the process of handling the wool. And holding the spool, sensing the spool, rotation of the spool with uniform speed, these all come under the process of handling the spool. LED light display to show whether the machine is on or off, and to show number of turns, these all come under the process of indications. And the last process is cutting and packaging. In clustering, there are wool winding machine project is divided into 4 systems. They are handle wool, handle spool, indicators, and last one is cutting mechanism. Handle wool is further divided into 3 subsystems. They are holding the wool and dispensing the wool with to and fro motion. And here the final subsystem is wool holding unit. Handle spool is further divided into 3 subsystems. They are spool holder, rotation of the spool, making uniform speed. And here the final subsystem is spool holding unit. In indicators, the subsystem is to the LED light display to show whether the machine is on or off. And cutting mechanism is the last system. Here the cutting unit is the final subsystem. Subsystems identified in our project are wool handling unit, spool handling unit, and the third one is cutting unit. Next is generated concepts. We generated 4 concepts. This is our first concept. This is basically horizontal concept, where wool holder is horizontal and even a spool holder is also horizontal. We used linkage blade mechanism as our cutting mechanism and to and fro motion mechanism. This is our second concept. This is basically vertical concept. Here we used linkage scissor mechanism as our cutting mechanism, and here we included the to and fro motion mechanism. This is our third concept. This is our selected concept. This is a horizontal concept. Here we used 4-bar linkage web cutting mechanism as our cutting mechanism, and we used transverse movement so that the wool should spread uniformly throughout the spool. This is our fourth concept. Among all the concept, we use servo motor for cutting mechanism, and we use DC motor for the rotation of the spool. Microcontroller, motor driver, relay module, Arduino Mega, roller, or all of these are the common concept among all 4 concepts. Puck chart. This is the puck chart of our project. There are 5 objectives. They are safety, ease of use, cost, use of standard parts, and display details. And we had given a respective weightage. We consider design 1 as our datum, and after comparing all of these, we got a highest score for design 3.
Coming to the virtual implementation, we have four subsystems: the wool handling unit, the spool handling unit, the to and fro motion unit, and the cutting unit. This is the final assembly of all the subsystems. The wool will be wound on the wool holder and the wool thread will be passed through this hole in the to and fro motion stick for uniform winding of wool over the spool. The DC motor will be connected to the spool holder, which in turn will make the wool holder dispense wool. After the winding is completed, this blade will cut the wool and the newly wound spool can be detached.
Circuit diagram of the entire system. Components used in a system are Arduino microcontroller, an LED light, a switch, a photoelectric sensor, a DC motor, a battery, two servo motors. So here is the list of materials required to build our entire system with their specifications and quantity required, along with fabrication processes if required. Some of the parts are microcontroller model Arduino Mega AT2560, cutting mechanism which will be made out of stainless steel, photoelectric speed sensor to sense the wool model REES 52, quantity required is 1, aluminum rollers, quantity required is 2, with dimensions 10 cm long, 1 cm width and hollow. Fabrication processes required for rollers are cutting, bending and shaping. So here is the flow chart, which is a graphical representation of entire process of our system. When the system is on, the DC motor starts rotating, the photoelectric sensor senses the wool, and the main process is winding the wool, which depends upon the rotation. If it is clockwise, the wool is wound on the spool and then displays the length of the wool that is wound, then the web cutting mechanism, and then the process ends. If it is anti-clockwise, then there is some error in the system and it directly leads to end of the process. Motor sizing and battery sizing of the entire system. DC motor max current drawn is 300 milliamps. Max current drawn by servo motor is 200 milliamps. Number of DC motors required is 1. Number of servo motors required is 2. Running time is 3 hours. Therefore, I equal to current drawn by motor into run time into number of motors used. So the specifications of the required battery will be 9 volt with 5 ampere hour capacity. Motor sizing for DC motor. Torque of DC motor T equal to force required into diameter of DC motor divided by 2. So torque required is 1.2263 Newton centimeter. Factor of safety is 1.5 times torque, which is equal to 1.8394 Newton centimeter. Hence, the speed of DC motor is 60 rpm. Torque produced by servo motor is 1.8 kg centimeter. Speed of servo motor is 60 rpm. Here are some functions and their specifications of our system. Input. Device uses switches and displays through which input can be provided. The machine should hold the thread. A cylindrical spool of length 10 cm is used to store the wool. Rotation and winding. DC motor is used to rotate the spool. Indications. On beginning and ending process, the The device indicates the user by blinking the LED light. To and fro movement. Servo motor is used for to and fro motion so that we can direct the thread for winding and obtain a uniform wounded wool.
Now to the last part, that is modeling and simulation. This is the servo motor for the to and fro motion. This is the servo motor for the cutting mechanism, and this is the DC motor for the rotation of wool and spool holders. When the simulation is turned on, the turning on of this red LED indicates that the machine is on. The DC motor will start moving in one direction uniformly. The blade will move to 120 degrees. Then the servo motor for the to and fro motion will start, and after every oscillation of this to and fro motion stick, the blade moves 3 degrees in anti-clockwise direction. This process keeps repeating. Once the servo motor of the blade reaches 180 degree, it starts to move 3 degrees in clockwise direction for each oscillation of the to and fro motion stick. Until the blade reaches back to its starting angle, that is 120 degrees, the to and fro motion stick already completes 90 to 100 windings over the spool. Once the blade moves 3 more degrees in clockwise direction, it is now at a position to cut the wool. The newly wound spool can be detached and replaced if required. The process will remain the same. This machine can wind 90 to 100 windings based on the speed of the servo motor and the angle with which the blade moves. Lesser the angle of the blade, that is 3 degrees in this case, the result will be more number of windings, and greater the number of angle, for example 5 degrees, will result in lesser number of windings. Coming to the GitHub updation. This is the GitHub page of our team. It has 13 custom sidebars where we have documented our project in a systematic manner for easy access. Lastly, the softwares that we use throughout are Autodesk Inventor Professional 2019 for 3D modeling, AZ Recorder and Screencast-O-Matic for screen recording, KineMaster for merging videos, Clidio.com for compressing the videos. This is the course project presentation of Team 17. Thank you.